Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi everyone, today I want to answer this question. What's the difference between property investment and REITs investment? So let's talk about property investment first. Okay, when you want to invest, not the property that you stay in, but you want to invest in an investment property. This property is likely to be your second or even third property. So basically, it's very simple. For your second property, what you do, you actually buy a house, and likelihood this house, right, you're not going to pay full cash for it. Okay, you're going to borrow money from the bank. Okay, and let's say, example, this house is $1 million. Okay, and you want to borrow, let's say 50%. Okay, you want to borrow 500,000 for the purpose of this house. Okay, from the bank, and after that, there will be a installment. Okay, there will be installment that you need to pay for this house. Okay, let's say you break it up to 20 years, and every month there is a monthly installment for your mortgage. Okay, let's say the property mortgage come up to let's say about $2,000. Okay, $2,000. Okay, and let's say example you have a rental income of let's say $2,004. Okay, then from there you have a positive cash flow of $400. Okay, so the idea for investing in property is number one, leverage. Okay, basically what you want is you want some leverage so that you don't need to use all your money. Okay, number two is you want to have a positive cash flow. It's not very wise if you just invest in a property and just want to have what we call capital appreciation, because sometimes it may not happen. Yes or no? Because you feel that this house is worth $1 million, and then you feel that in a few years' time it will be worth, let's say, $1.3 million. Okay, that is what we call capital appreciation. But on the other hand, on top of capital appreciation, you want to have what we call a positive cash flow for your property, so that when you invest in this property, whatever you pay to the bank, okay, whatever you pay to the bank, and compared to whatever your tenant pay you, what your tenant pay you, you have what we call a positive cash flow. So in this case, right, when you invest in such a property where you have positive cash flow, then the money, this money feeds you. So this becomes what we call an asset. Okay. On the other hand, let's say example, you buy this property and your rental income is not enough to pay for your mortgage, then it eats you. Instead of feeds you, it eats you. Then it becomes a liability. Okay. So things that feed you, okay, is an asset, and things that eats you becomes a liability. So this is more like property investment. Okay. How about REITs? Okay. How about REITs? So in REITs, okay, it's a bit different. Okay. So what are the advantage? First thing, what's the advantage or disadvantage of investing in a property? Number one, investing property generally is the advantage is that it's physical property. You can see, you can go visit, you can look at the tenant and all these things. Okay, this is an advantage of investing in a property. The tranche is because it's physical, it tends to be deemed lower risk. Okay, but it's not necessarily the case. But what are the disadvantage of investing in a property is number one, you have a big transaction cost, because when you want to buy a property, you need to pay the agent, you need to pay lawyers, you need to pay stamp duty and all these fees. Okay, all this will eat up into your profits. Okay, so this is the advantage and disadvantage of investing in property. So if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.